Oh, she flew. Oh no, she didn't fly away. Oh, there she is. I've been shooting the wrong bird. Well, at least I got you before you took off. Oh, she's back. Now she's gone again. Oh, she's back. Gee, what is spooking you guys?
Now can you turn your phone sideways and that way? There.
Whoops. Who are you tattling on? I don't know. Who is that?
Blue jay.
Oh,
Up in the tree
yeah.
on the other side behind some leaves. It's more up on the side of the tree.
Oh, I see it. It's being a tattletale for somebody.
Cat might be out there or something.
Ah.
What are you watching?
Oh, she's
Birds.
Oh, bird.
birds.
And a noisy one.
Charlotte has a rabbit out back.
Huh? Oh, rabbit. Right now. Huh?
He's sitting up there just munching away.